want to see the legacy models of ChatGPT on your phone, I'm going to show you how. So to show legacy model, all you have to do is expand the sidebar, guys, and click on your account there. Scroll down and you will tap on general. Here you'll have the option show legacy models. You can turn that on by simple tap on it, and I'm going to show you how you can actually find those. Now, once you're in a chat, just simple look to the top. You will see ChatGPT. You click there, and here you'll find models. It's a auto, and here you see legacy, and you can see all the legacy models that they have. You have even O4 mini, O3, ChatGPT 4.1, ChatGPT 4.0, and you can see that the list is longer. Now, this is longer, right? But if you turn it off, if I go back into this option right here and click on my account, then go down to general again and simple toggle this off. You don't have so much model available to you once you click on models and click on legacy. As you can see, it's just the 4.0, and you have 5 thinking 5.1, where you really have just basically that. And so if you would like to use the legacy model or have access to them, then you can easily turn off these options to do it. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.